Hi everyone. Today, we're going to learn some English words about daily routines. Wake up. He usually wakes up at 6 o'clock. Get up. He gets up and leaves his bed at 6:15. Go to the bathroom. He goes to the bathroom to wash his face. Have a shower. He has a shower before breakfast. Have breakfast. He has breakfast at 6:45 every morning. Have breakfast. She has breakfast at 6:45 every morning. Go to work. He goes to work at 8 o'clock every morning. Come home. He comes home around 6 p.m. Make dinner. He makes dinner for himself around 6:30 p.m. Phone, or call, friend. He phones his friend to chat about the weekend. Watch TV. He watches TV for an hour before bed. Go to bed. He goes to bed at 11 o'clock. Go for a walk. He likes to go for a walk in the park when he has free time. Wash clothes. He washes his clothes on Saturday morning. Clean the house. He cleans the house every weekend. Write letters, emails. He writes emails to his colleagues every month. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed it. See you in the next lesson.